Today we will tour 4848 South Ferric in Mesa, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you want to call home. Service Star Realty has been doing property management in Mesa, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. We strive to be the best property management company in Mesa. Welcome to this gorgeous 3-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom home in the highly desirable Eastmark community. Step inside to discover wood-like flooring throughout the main living areas, tall ceilings, and an open floor plan designed to maximize space and natural light. The living and dining areas flow seamlessly into the modern kitchen, which features stone-like countertops, a stylish backsplash, stainless steel appliances, and ample cabinet and counter space. Upstairs, a versatile loft area serves as the perfect flex space, while the spacious bedrooms offer tall ceilings, walk-in closets, and plenty of natural light. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Again, that's leaseaz.com. For added convenience, the laundry room is located on the same floor as the bedrooms. And a primary suite is a true retreat, complete with an en-suite bathroom featuring a large walk-in shower with a bench, dual sink vanity, walk-in closet, and a separate commode for added privacy. Schedule a tour today.